asking, I am doing just fine and was wondering if you would like to hear a story.
Stories?
Would you like?
Stories!
Okay, well this is the story of Peter and the Wolf.
Peter?
That's correct. Now, as you all know, in the musical score of Peter and the Wolf, each character is represented by an instrument in the orchestra. Peter.
I'm Peter. Hello.
Hello!
He is represented by the string quartet. The little bird, whose name is Sasha, is played by a flute, which goes very, very high. Hello, Sasha. She's a very beautiful bird with very beautiful colors, don't you think?
Yes.
Well, in the village, there was also a chicken. Her name is Sonia and is played by an oboe, like this.
Grandpapa is an old bassoon.
Ho, 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 ho.
Hello, Grandpapa.
Oh, hello.
Over here.
Over where?
Over here.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hello, kid. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thanks, Grandpapa.
Bye-bye, kids.
Bye-bye, Grandpapa. See you later. Grandpapa is an old man, and he's the grandfather of Peter. He is loved in the village, and there is also someone very dangerous. In the village, there is a wolf. Little did that old wolf know what was in store for him.
One day, Peter set forth to capture the wolf.
I'm going to catch the wolf because he killed all my pets. He ate my cat, my dog, my birds, all my animals. So I'm going to punish him with my secret weapon. This. I'm going to use this to kill the wolf.
Angry Birds.
You little...
Oh no! On the other side! I'm over here!
Come on out here! I need to talk to you.
What's going on, Grandpapa?
Oh, sorry. Okay. I heard that you are planning on catching the wolf.
I'm going to catch the wolf!
But you are too little to hunt.
No, I'm not. I'm as tall as you are. See?
I didn't mean about the height. I mean about the age. You're almost 6. You are too little.
Well, I'm 6 years old, but I'm strong. And I'm smart. And I'm fast. And I'm very brave.
Let me talk to you about something. This is a story. When I was about your age, and that is a long time ago.
I can imagine that.
I tried to catch the wolf as well.
Really, Grandpa?
That is true.
Was it dangerous?
It was dangerous. And he was fast. And he was sneaky. And I was not able to find him.
He was not able to find it.
So, it's very dangerous for you, Peter. Now let's go back into the house. It's getting cold up here.
But Grandpa, I think I can do it.
Oh, come on inside.
Come on, Grandpa.
Come on.
Grandpa.
Oh, come on.
But Grandpa, I know that I can catch the wolf, and I want to be outside. I want to play with my friends. I want to play football. I want to do a lot of things, and I want to.
Peter! Get back into the house.
Okay, Grandpa.
So our little hero, Peter, who was almost 6 years old, was carried back into the house. Peter still dreamed of hunting though, and when his grandpapa fell fast asleep, he slipped out of the house. He went across the snow. And into the dark forest. He was very happy.
I am very happy. Finally, I'm going to catch the wolf, and I'm going to be a hero for all the village. But I feel like I need something. I feel like I need a partner, a friend with me, like Batman and Robin, or Superman and Superboy. A lot of friends like that. So who could that be? Me. Who said that?
It's me! Sasha!
Hi, Sasha.
Hi! Hello, everyone! I heard that you're planning on catching the wolf.
I'm going to catch the wolf.
Oh, that's great! And I also heard that you needed a partner?
Yes, I need a partner, a friend, a helper.
Someone like, I don't know.
Someone very fast.
Oh, I'm very fast! Look at
Someone very strong.
Oh, I'm so strong! I can lift you up!
Someone with beautiful colors to distract the wolf.
Look at me!
Oh, you look beautiful. You could distract the wolf.
Oh, yes!
Oh, and someone who could be my best friend.
Oh, I think I am already your best friend!
So would you like to be my partner?
Yes!
Oh, great, guys. We are going to make it. You are coming with me. Sasha, you are going to be my partner.
Let's go!
Let's go.
So Peter and Sasha started the quest to catch the wolf. But on the other side of the forest was an old friend of us. Do you remember her? She's a chicken. Do you remember her name? You may remember with this music. That's right. Sonia was on the other side of the forest.
What was that? A wolf. Really?
down into the snow. And that was all her friends could find her.
She was an innocent animal. She was my friend. And I betrayed her. She trusted me. And now she's gone. Will this crime go unpunished? No! Oh, it's Peter and Sasha to help! Sasha! Yes! Where are you? I'm right here! Come with me! Let's go! We're going to catch the wolf! Oh, yeah! Yeah! We're going to punish that mighty wolf!
So they quickly started the quest once more. Rapidly, Peter made a lace with his rope. They tried to catch the wolf for the last time.
Okay, guys, so Grandpapa said that the wolf was very sneaky. That means like sneaky. And he was strong, so I had to be stronger. And he was fast, so I have to be faster. Where? Where's the wolf? Where? There! You're right, there's the wolf. So now you're going to be my helpers. I'm going to catch that wolf. The mighty Peter is throwing the legs and catching the wolf. It may work. It's going to work now. So you have to tell me where is the wolf? Here, over there. Yeah. Now I'm going to do this with the legs and throw it. I have to calm down. I have to imagine that I'm in a stadium full of people saying, Peter, 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 like that, Peter, I'm not going to betray you. I'm the mighty Peter is going to catch the wolf with long silence and sneaking.
I am vegetarian. I only eat vegetables. Look!
What?
And flowers as well.
You eat flowers and fruits?
Yes, that's why nobody in my village likes me. I was just trying to be friends with you and play.
That makes no sense. So you don't eat animals? Or humans?
No.
Or little mighty boys like me? Oh, but you were making this sound like, and we were all scared.
Yeah, but that's the way I laugh.
That's the way you laugh?
I don't know how to laugh.
Let me see if that's true. I'm going to use the mighty Peter's finger to tickle you. He's not laughing. Again, tickle. Can you do? Ha 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 ha. He can laugh. He's friendly.
And I think I know where your friend might be.
Please help me to find Sonia.
I think she's in the hollow tree.
Oh, she's in the hollow tree.
Come on.
Let's go there. That makes sense because I told her to run and hide into the hollow tree. Sonia, where are you?
Peter! Is that you, Peter? Oh, there you are!
Oh, I'm so happy to see you. So it's true. The wolf is really friendly and vegetarian.
Yes, and now where is that evil wolf?
He's not evil.
Really?
He's vegetarian.
Oh, that's
He only
great!
eats fruits, vegetables, and flowers.
That's great! Let me tell Sasha so we can do something together.
Go, Sasha! I'm so happy! People from the village! You don't have to be scared anymore. I'm going to protect you from the wolf, and from the thieves, and from all the bad persons, because the wolf is my friend!
want to talk to you about something.
But Grandpa, did you hear that they are saying my name?
Yes, I heard, and that's
They are saying, Peter! 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 Listen to them. It's great!
I know, but I need to tell you this.
What's going on?
Even though you didn't obey my orders, and you should always obey grown-ups' orders,
Sorry, Grandpapa. I didn't want to
Oh.
disobey you.
you were in great danger.
I know that I was in danger.
Huh. Anyhow, people from the village wanted to give you this. It's an award for your readiness. So congratulations, you earned it.
Thanks, Grandpapa. I have many